Hello. Friday marked the worst day in markets in nearly a year and a half. After a very difficult first quarter, it was looking like and feeling like the second quarter could be just as challenging. I'm Jim Dunlop with Advent Partners. I thought we would take a few moments today and share a little bit about what our team is thinking about when we see what's happening in stock markets. I think it would be easy here for me to sit and just say that it's all going to be okay. But that doesn't match the frustration that we're all experiencing and feeling when we see a lot of the growth and earnings that we've achieved over the last year start to dissipate and disappear. So what's happening? Why is this happening? I think it's because markets hate uncertainty. Uncertainty, I think, is the biggest driver of volatility. Started the year with the surge in the pandemic, and as COVID started to subside, inflation took center stage. And I think the uncertainty that we're really facing is about how the Fed is going to address this inflation. It's here. We know that prices are more expensive. The Fed's primary tool is interest rates. And if the Fed raises rates too quickly, it could really cool off the economy and cause a recession, which is not an objective any of us want. If the Fed is too slow at raising interest rates or not aggressive enough, inflation could really take hold in a way that damages the economy in ways we haven't seen in a long time. This just creates a lot of uncertainty. The hope is that the Fed will get it right and execute a soft landing. I think what's going on the last few days is that the Fed has gotten a little more aggressive in its language and looks like it's going to be raising rates, wants to raise rates more quickly. And I think that spooks markets because that creates another layer of uncertainty. But here's the thing, we just don't know, and neither do markets. It's going to take several months to look at data that comes back to us to see if the Fed is getting it right, if inflation is starting to level off, and if the economic growth is not being stifled. So we just have to wait and see. And because of that uncertainty, I think there's a good case that the volatility we're experiencing in stocks could continue for a while. Here's what we do know. At Advent Partners, we spend a lot of time thinking about this, and we're looking at the data on a daily basis. We also think this could be a good planning opportunity. Most of us have just completed our 2021 tax returns. It might be worth taking some time to bring your return in and sit with a member of our team and go through and see if there's some opportunities. For instance, maybe a Roth IRA conversion makes sense. That's a favorite strategy of ours when markets and stocks are down. Perhaps there's an opportunity for tax loss harvesting in a portfolio, or perhaps there's some other opportunities for you that could be good. If the market's chucking lemons at us every day, let's make a little bit of lemonade. And finally, I want to invite you, if you want to go a little bit deeper on the economy, join us next week. We're doing our quarterly economic update on Wednesday, May 4th and Thursday, May 5th. On Wednesday, we'll do it at 8 a.m. And on Thursday, we'll do it at 6 p.m. Now, we'll do that in person in our Gettysburg office, and we're also going to be doing it live streaming. So if you would like to participate virtually, or if you want to come in person, please register by learning more at the link in this email. And we would love to have you as we spend some more time on this stuff. In the meantime, I hope you're enjoying this weather that seems to be getting more beautiful and warm out. And please keep in mind the long-term perspective. We're here to serve you. Please don't hesitate to reach out if there's any way we can be of service. Take care.